Hey there, fellow drivers. Are you tired of being stuck on the side of the road, waiting for a tow truck to come to your rescue? Well, fear not, because today we're going to talk about the essential tools you need to keep in your car to get you out of any jam. So let's rev our engines and get started. Lug wrench. A lug wrench is used to remove lug nuts from wheels. Make sure to choose the right size of lug wrench for your vehicle and always loosen and tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Jack and jack stands. A jack and jack stands are essential for lifting your vehicle off the ground to change tires or perform repairs. Always make sure to place the jack and jack stands on a stable and level surface and to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Screwdrivers. A set of screwdrivers with different sizes and types, Phillips, flathead, etc., can come in handy for various vehicle repairs. Pliers. Pliers are useful for gripping and twisting various parts and components. Needle nose pliers can help you access hard-to-reach areas. Socket set. A socket set is essential for removing bolts and nuts from various parts of your vehicle. Make sure to choose the right size and type of sockets for your specific vehicle. Jumper cables. Jumper cables can be a lifesaver if your vehicle's battery dies. Make sure to connect the cables in the correct order, red to positive, black to negative, and to never touch the metal ends together. Tire pressure gauge. Maintaining proper tire pressure is essential for vehicle safety and fuel efficiency. A tire pressure gauge can help you check the pressure of your tires and inflate or deflate them as needed. Flashlight. A flashlight can be a lifesaver if you need to perform vehicle repairs in the dark or in low light conditions. Make sure to always carry spare batteries or a rechargeable battery pack. Safety triangle. A safety triangle can alert other drivers that your vehicle is parked on the side of the road or on a shoulder. Make sure to place the safety triangle at a safe distance from your vehicle to avoid accidents. First aid kit. A first aid kit can come in handy for minor injuries that may occur during vehicle repairs or in case of accidents. Make sure to keep the kit stocked with essentials such as bandages, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers.